day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is 29th of November, Europe session. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Customers are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade before with your broker before you put in your trade. So with that, we proceed with our live analysis. Okay, do take note that today there isn't any US data. So we only have a Canadian GDP out, which is at 2130, and we have a BOE governor going to give a talk at 1900 hours. Okay, so here okay, let's see we have any open trades. In fact, just now we have shorted gold. Okay, we have shorted gold, and we took profit. Okay, we took profit. I think we shorted at 62 and closed at 57. I think we made about $5. Then we exited. So now we are holding short euro at 105.80, and dollar yen long at 150.10, and we are trying to sell pound at 127.30. And dollar yen, we also have one more buy at 149.45, 149.85. So this is because I think we feel that the low is already seen on the dollar yen. Okay, because we were expecting it to be around below 149, but I think the low it came out to be was 149.50. Okay, so with that, let's see. The pound also, I think we may need to enter at market. So let's see the system and let's see how this thing goes about. Okay, now we look into the pound. Okay, the pound is right now, this is showing some strength on the 360 and 720, and this is also up against the daily while above 12695. Okay, while above 12695. So as long as the price is above 12695, the bullish sentiment is still expected, but this is maybe an extension, and it is due for a pullback. Okay, but let's see, then finally we conclude. So now if we go into the pound, that PT zones, so this is telling you that there is no selling force on the weekly, but the buying force are coming in, but buying force are still weak, and we haven't seen any strength coming in. Okay, so we may see a pullback. Okay, we may see a pullback, or the market giving one more drop then before the next leg up. So overall, I think the bullish sentiment is still there, but the only thing is we need to know whether this is going to be an uptrend, or we got to wait for the market. Okay, so now if you look into this, okay, looks like this market has got no strength to go higher. So we may sell at 127.10 with a stop at 35 and TP at 126.80 or 126.60. Okay, let me double check that with the system, and we can put in one more trade. So 127.10 is a good selling level. 126.60 is a target. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to go in for a sell. Okay, we have one more sell order, 127.10. And stop we put at 40 and 60. Okay, and this one is expiry. Since we are going close to the market, I think we will put it as 25 minutes. Okay, we will try to enter the market. So then we have one more cell at 30. So that one I think we can extend the time to 1930 or even 20. Okay. So we have two cell orders, and the target should be 127, sorry, 12660 or 50. Okay, because the previous day low was 12645, so I will try to exit before that. Okay, so I think this is another trade which we can look into. Then at the euro, I think we are holding a sell. Dollar yen, we are holding a buy. And let's see we have any other opportunity to be seen. Okay, now let's see the pound crosses. Okay, pound crosses. So we are seeing pound yen is coming off. Okay, pound yen is coming off, right? So here, I hope if you call yourself an aggressive trader, you can go for a sell at 127 also, you know. So that should be worth trying this trade. Okay, let me see. I also want to sell. Yeah, I've already shorted at 710. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, let's see whether any other crosses that is worth trading. So pound yen looks, pound cat looks for a sell, pound Swiss. Okay, maybe I think we'll get into the chart, then we'll see better. Pound cat, I think is similar to pound dollar. So this is also breaking the low, and looks like this is a failure, and we may see the price heading south. Okay, so what we can do is pound cat we can sell at 177.95. Okay, this is let me go into the chart. Okay, 177.95 should be selling, and the price target should be 177.05. Okay, we should be exiting before 177.05 or 177.20. Okay, so here let's do this. Pound cat, okay, we'll put it as 177.95. Stop at 178.25, and take note that 177.50 has to clear. Okay, 177.50 or 40, then only we can see 177.20. Actually, we can put it as 45, you know, it's a comfortable trade. So what we will do is we will try to put it until 8 p.m. or 20 hours. Okay, so then we can trade. The euro is also turning down, so euro crosses should be a viable trade. Okay, so on that note, we would look at let's say we look into EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD, we will try to sell at 148.05 and stop at 35 and TP at 60, 65. Okay, so this is another call. We would try to sell 148.15 or 10, stop at can put only 25 or 35 and 14760, and this one again we will give until 2 hours, so another 2 hours, which is 8 o'clock. Okay, so we have pound CAD, euro CAD, pound, we're trying to sell at 10. Okay, which I hope we should be getting it. Dollar yen, I think we already entered, so we are expecting the price to move higher. Then let me see what other trades. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, I think should be sufficient. Okay, now what we will do is we'll try to discuss on the gold. Then I think we can see for the next session. Okay, the gold, this is the gold. Right now, this is a downtrend on the 6-hour chart. Okay, this is downtrend on the 6-hour chart, and daily is up, while above two. Okay, I don't think it's 2721. I think there must be some other level in between. Okay, let me check. Yeah, as long as 2650. Okay, daily is an uptrend, while above 2650. But take note that this is a extension. I mean, this is not an uptrend. If it's uptrend, then we can buy and hold. This is extension, which means to say that we may have limited high. Okay, the levels which we are looking at is either 72, 74 or 80 half. Okay, we should not see the price moving beyond that level. Okay, as of now, let's let me share with you the screen again. Okay, as of now, we have seen 2665. Okay, 266 half. So now, as of now, this time belt we should see maximum 71, 79 and 82. Okay, so these are the levels expected to be on the high side within this time belt. So here, if we are going for a sell, okay, and make sure that we should exit our profit before 46 or 43, because that is where the support is. So we should be exiting at 40 or 43, and the selling will try to sell it slightly higher. Okay, so either at 66 or 78 or 82. Okay, so now let's go into the chart and see where can we sell. Okay, so looking at this pattern, okay, looking at this pattern, so this is taking support here, so most likely we may see the price extending towards 71 or even higher. Okay, so let me do a projection one more time. Okay, 78 and 71. So how we can trade this is we can have two orders. Okay, one is selling at 71 half with a tight stop, then another one at 78 with another stop. So the market should turn before any one of these two levels. Okay, so what we will do is we will uh, try to see, because right now this is still struggling phase. Okay, so 78 is where somewhere we are looking at, and let's see what is our order. Okay, we have a buy order on the euro. So I think the one is should be closing. Please, the one cancel it and close it at cost, because it looks like we have seen the high. So try to close it. Let me try to close on my side also. Okay, so this one we will try to close it. Okay, so we should be holding sell, because market looks like we may have seen the high. Okay, so then what I wanted to say, yeah, the gold, we should be okay. We have an order to sell at 78. Okay, 78, I think this is expiry 23 hours. I think this is still good, and we also have a order to sell at 82. Okay, this I think either one of this order we should see. So either we have a 78 with a tight stop or wider stop, so this is the only way we can make both the trades work. So maybe we'll try to put it as 83 half. That means it's $5 for this trade, and the other trade we can go for a lower stop. Okay, but that one also I think we have about six half. Never mind. I think the next round I think we'll do the adjustment. So now, as of now, what I can give you for gold is we will try to go for one more sell at 71 half. Okay, we'll try to sell at 71 half, and we may see. That's why I said we may see the high at least at 71 half or 78 half or 82 half. So any one of these three levels. So we will try to go for that. Okay, we'll just put it as a $4 risk, and this is again we'll put back at 5-6. Okay, 5-6 our exit point. So this one we will give until 2100 hours. So that means another three and a half hours. Okay. So now let's see whether our hero is closed. Yeah, I think hero is closed. So this is taken care of. So now we go back to our analysis. Okay, so here let's look at euro dollar, whatever the trades we are in, so at least we can see, we can prepare ourselves what to do. Okay, So for dollar yen, I think we are long, and we see whether are we in the safe hands. Okay, looks like we are in the safe hands, and we should be uh, hold on, we should be market should be turning, and we should see the price at least to 98 or extension of this level, which is 70. So dollar yen, I think we should see 70 or 90. So these are the two levels of exit point we need to take care of. Okay, 70 or 90. Okay, so we can hold the trade. And then we are holding short pound at 27.10. Okay, the 27.10 we are holding short, and hold on, and we should see the price heading south. Okay, we have right now we should be seeing the price at least let me see at least to 2680 or 2660. Okay, so this trade should be, and our stop should have been at 30. Okay, so we shouldn't be seeing the price going above 2730, because there's a lot of weakness is seen here, so we don't expect the price to go beyond 12730. Okay, so this is for pound. Okay, for euro dollar, okay, we have, looks like we have seen the high, and we are in the correction, and we should be within this level. Unless if this level breaks, then we may see a deeper correction. So as of now, we don't expect the price to go above 85. Okay, 85.90, and we should see the price at least 40. Okay, 40 or 45. So we have shorted at uh, 80, and our target is 40. So 40 or 45 we should see. Okay, we should see the exit, and the same thing for pound, we try to exit at 60. Okay, so the dollar yen we can slowly monitor it. Okay, the dollar yen we can slowly monitor, and we should see the break. Okay, the break of 35.40. Okay, 35 or 40, then I think we are in the safe zone. But until then, this market is going to be in a range, and without clear direction. So this, the 15040 has to break. So if it breaks, then we can see the market heading towards north, like as we expected. Otherwise, this is going to be within this range, and I don't think we will be getting any clear direction for this. So this is the view for dollar yen. Okay, so gold we already talked, dollar yen we already talked, the pound we already talked, and euro we talked. So now we just look at one or two more crosses before we exit. So in the meantime, I mean, if you want to discuss about any other market, you let me know. We can discuss, and I'll tell you, how we can look at it and how we can trade it. Okay. So as of dollar CAD is concerned, okay, today we have a GDP. So maybe we might do a news trading on dollar CAD today. depending on the market movement. Okay, so again, let's see dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD is already making correction low. So today's data, if the data is bad, okay, if the data is bad, we may see the price moving higher. But again, if the data is good, then we may see one more drop towards 139.30, and market should start to stable somewhere around that level. So we have to look for two possibilities. So as of now, I don't think we can take any action or any trade, because we just have to just monitor the trade. Okay. So gold, I think we are trying to sell. Okay, we look for a sell near 71 or higher. Okay, the one I think should be a sell and hold, because this is a final up before a correction is seen. So we should not be uh, expecting even higher. That means it should go up eventually, should start to turn down. Okay. So today, like being last trading day of the week, so we got to be a bit careful and a bit cautious, because we cannot be very greedy or very aggressive, because today is the last day, and also this week is a shortened trading week, because like yesterday was US on holiday. Today also, the market might be thin. That means not enough, not enough volume, right? So that is the thing. Okay, for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, like as I said, okay, our system is a very unique system. So we can give, we in fact we track close to 80 instruments, so that means like any crosses against each other, all the majors against each other. Then we also trade on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P. So we are also planning to start to give signals for those instruments, and including crude. So anything, I mean, we can just give signals within 1 minute, 2 minutes, and give our view. What do we expect? And of course, we can give you the view in such a way that how long you can hold, and how long the trade is going to be, and where is your TP going to be. So all the informations you needed for a trading or trader, if you want to become a full-time trader. So the only request is, okay, subscribe to our service, keep following us, and please share the videos to your friends who may be doing in this similar industry, who may be, trading. So then, while we grow big, then definitely I think there are more opportunities and more markets to be discussed, and more. I mean, of course, we try to make more money, So that's our essential goal. Okay. So if with that, I conclude this session, and we will be seeing you again in at one another 3 hours. Okay, because that's going to be a news trading. So as of now, I think we are holding. Okay, we are holding dollar yen long. Okay, I'll just share the screen before I go off. Okay, we are holding dollar yen long at 105.10, stop at 49.70, and exit at 75 or 60. You have to exit before, but the condition is that 105 40 has to break. If the 40 doesn't break, then this is going to be in a range, then until the low is seen. Okay, but as of now, we feel it's still in a range with an upside bias. So slowly the market may push higher. So we just have to wait for the market to give us the signal. Then as far as the euro is concerned, okay, we feel that the high is already seen. When I say high, means this is just a temporary high on a short term. Okay, this is not like a major high, and market has already turned up. So if you see the price now going down, somewhere near 105, 10, 20, you should be buying and holding. Okay, because we expect the price to move higher. But as of now, today, because market is thin, no data, so we don't expect much movement. But next week we should be getting a very good move on the euro dollar. Okay, then one more thing, the pound, we have shorted at 12710. Okay, stop, and we should be seeing at 12660. So this is again, uh, is just a temporary setback or temporary pull. Okay, then we should be looking to hold buy. Okay, hold buy if we see somewhere around 126. So 12620, 126, I think we should be holding a buy. And next week we should see the price heading north towards 12825 or even higher. So for that, I think of course you need to follow us. We'll give you the tips, we'll give you the reports, everything, so you can look into it. So at least you can trade with confidence. Okay. So any questions or any market you want to discuss? If you have nothing, then we can end this session, and I'll see you again in another 3 hours. Any markets? Okay. So it's fine. So I hope you manage these trades first. Short euro, short pound, and long dollar yen. So we have three trades on hand to work. So better than, not, we don't have any trades. So we have trades, so we can just manage it. Then maybe next session when you come, we can discuss in detail, how was the trade or how it went go, when, and was it a profitable or not. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in another 3 hours. Okay. Thank you. Bye.